Today, we're making potatoes in a way that is simple, delicious, and honestly a little surprising. If you have just a couple of potatoes, some eggs, yogurt, and cheese, you can make something really tasty with very little effort. Let's start. First, take 2 large potatoes, wash them well, then slice them into thick rounds. Try not to cut them too thin because we want them to stay soft inside and slightly crispy on the outside. Place the potato slices on a baking tray. Now season them with salt. Add some freshly ground black pepper. Then sprinkle with sweet paprika or smoked paprika if you want a deeper flavor. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the potatoes. Mix everything gently so the potatoes are well coated with the oil and spices. Now bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. They should become almost tender, but not completely finished yet. While the potatoes are baking, let's prepare the creamy mixture. Grate some Parmesan cheese. You'll need about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt. Add the grated Parmesan cheese. Then add some chopped parsley. Now mix everything together until it becomes smooth and creamy. Add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. This mixture will make the potatoes golden, rich, and full of flavor. Once the potatoes are almost tender, take them out of the oven. Pour the creamy egg and cheese mixture over the potatoes. Try to spread it evenly so every piece gets covered. Now put the tray back in the oven. Bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the top is set and beautifully golden brown. While the potatoes finish baking, let's make a quick yogurt sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to a small bowl. Add a little salt. Add chopped parsley. You can also add some chives if you like. Now grate 1 clove of garlic into the sauce. Mix everything together, and that's it. A simple, fresh, creamy sauce that goes perfectly with the potatoes. Once the potatoes are golden and ready, serve them warm with the yogurt garlic sauce. They're soft, crispy, creamy, cheesy, and so easy to make. Honestly, this is one of those recipes that looks simple but tastes much better than you expect. If you like this recipe, please give the video a like. And thank you for being here. This space is as much yours as it is mine. See you in the next recipe.